Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you. Always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewers, for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Suddenly you can see, friends, in this video we are providing you most trending and classical designs, Croatia women hoodies designs. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end, because in this video you will see stunning and unique Croatia women hoodies designs. I hope you will love these beautiful designs. Soft and cozy Croatia hoodies are made from soft breathable yarns for ultimate comfort. Thick Croatia's fabric provides excellent warmth during colder months, suitable for crystal wear, outdoor activities, and layering. Unique designs. Croatia hoodies offer one-of-a-kind handmade designs, feminine touch. Croatia details and the delight feminine fare, customizable chooses colors, yarns and patterns to match personal style. CEO friendly yarns, optically stretchable and the style on the organized yarns, long lasting, well made yarns, reducing waste, handmade, passed down Croatia hoodies and the Tues item. Confidence booster. Winning a handmade unique hoodies can enhance self-esteem, personal experience. Croatia hoodies reflect personal style and creativity. Cozy, sporty, soft Croatia fabric provides emotional comforts. Croatia are wearing Croatia, it can reduce stress. Soft, cozy fabric provides physical comfort. Croatia hoodies can ease mental cramps. Oversized shoulder hoodies, floral and the leaf pattern hoodies, clappets on the textured hoodies, holders with pom and beams on the tails. Croatia and the Kinner combinations hoodies. Cotton on the bellies, wool and the cashmere for luxury. SEO-friendly options like bombo and the hem. Concert yarns, weight and season. Choose a pattern that stuffs and the silk levels. Select colors that complement your wardrobe. Look for durability and the quality constructions. Would you like more information? Croatia hoodies, patterns, yarns. So we will share this video with your family and friends who want these types of decorations and designs and ideas, different dresses designs and ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. We were different people have different choices and they love different types of designs and ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs. Select your favorite designs and apply on your dress for outstanding looks. Thank you viewer for watching the video, especially for those people who search in these types of most trending designs. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your design. So viewer, if you all love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Be connected with me friends and remember me in your prayers. See you soon. We will take care and Allah Hafiz.